Hello everyone, welcome back or to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Noms of Fitness. So I am back. I have been gone for a little while. I've gotten sick and then after that had family come over, so didn't really have time to make videos, but I'm back in action and I'm excited to continue making videos. Hey Bam Bam. Miss me? I miss you too. So yeah, I went to work today, so I'm not gonna do a full what I ate in a day video because I already had my breakfast obviously. So I'm just gonna make my lunch today, which is gonna be pizza. And I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make vegan crab cakes with some roasted vegetables. So excited for that. So let's get into it. I'm going to make the pizza now because I'm hungry. So I'm setting the oven to 425. I forgot the mushrooms. So I'm going to dice up half of this green pepper, half yellow onion, some cremini mushrooms, and this leftover Soyrizo that I have, which is really good on pizza. So that's my first step. I'm going to do that right now. I'm adding a little bit of sea salt and black pepper to the onions and peppers. Once the peppers, onions, and mushrooms are halfway cooked, I'm going to add the chorizo and I'm going to cook it on each side for about 6 minutes or until it browns on each side. Now this dough has to sit out for 20 minutes. I got this from Trader Joe's. But I'm going to microwave it because I don't feel like waiting that long. So what I do, I just put it on a plate like this, and I put it on soften, the microwave. Let me show you. I put it on soften, so that way it doesn't microwave like how it's microwaving something else. It's not gonna be as strong, but it's still gonna let it get warm. Hi, Daddy. Okay, so the dough is nice and soft and it's room temperature now. I put a little bit of oil on the pizza pan. So now I'm going to add the pizza dough. Now I'm gonna add the Soyrizo, onion and mushroom mixture. I'm gonna add more cheese on the top. And I'm also adding some Diet cheddar cheese. So now I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes. Okay, so while my pizza's in the oven, I'm going to get started on the crab cakes and the roasted vegetables so I don't have to do all that stuff later. So I'm going to do that now. So the pizza cooled down a bit, as you can see, because I was cooking the crab cakes. I'm going to reheat it, but it looks delicious. Mmm. Delicious. I've had this pizza several times, so I'm not gonna act like it's my first time eating it. Next time I'll probably use the cheese melting method that I did yesterday. I saw someone do it on a YouTube video. They basically add 2 tablespoons of oil and a whole package of vegan cheese and let it melt down. Well, it takes a few seconds. So that way the cheese melts and it's nice and creamy on your pizza. But tastes really good. If you haven't tried Soyrizo, try it. I normally put basil oil on the crust. I forgot to do it this time. This is one of my favorite foods. I love pizza. So I normally saute half a red pepper and half a green pepper, but I don't have a red pepper, so I'm gonna saute the whole green pepper and half a yellow onion. You're gonna need 1 can of hearts of palm for this recipe. So you're going to want to shred it with a fork. It shreds very easily. It's very soft. The parts that are hard, you just take out because you don't want that in the crab cake mixture. Now I'm adding 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a ½ cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And then I'm going to add in the pepper and onion mixture. So I ended up adding most of the peppers and onions. I guess I would say there was about 2 tablespoons left of the peppers and onions, so I added most of it. Once it's all mixed up, I'm just forming it into little patties. And now I'm going to cook it on a skillet with a little bit of oil until it browns on each side, about 3 minutes on each side. Once the patties are done cooking, I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. For the Brussels sprouts, I just sliced them up and I'm adding some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of oil. For the carrots, I'm just adding some salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil. And now I'm going to bake these at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. For the crab cake sauce, I added 2 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of pepper, and a dash of hot sauce. Once I took the roasted vegetables out the oven, I poured some of this sweet chili sauce on top of the Brussels sprouts. Hello again, I'm back with dinner. My crab cakes are finally done and I'm so excited to eat them. Okay. I'm telling you, these Brussels sprouts smell amazing. I'm like almost more excited to eat that. If you never had Brussels sprouts like this, I promise you, you're never gonna go back. It's so good. It's like the mixture of salty and sweet. The sweetness from the sweet chili sauce and the seasonings together. So good. And it's crispy too. Now the carrots. This is what the average person needs in their life. Just simple vegetables with flavor. It looks so simple, but I don't have any rice, no pasta. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but vegetables alone can just be delicious, is what I'm saying. Got these carrots, some salt and pepper, a little bit of oil. It tastes so good. Okay, the crab cakes. Oh my goodness. These crab cakes are delicious. Wow. It's amazing how many things taste like an actual animal product. Like hearts of palm actually taste and smell like fish. It's crazy. I mean crab. That's why it's so easy to make these vegan products taste like the real thing, because it's all about the flavoring. Nutritional yeast has a cheesy flavor to it. So it really all boils down to texture. This is so good. I did good with this aioli sauce too. I know I left out some ingredients when it comes down to the traditional aioli sauce, but I wanted it to be quick. But I didn't put capers in it. It didn't need any capers either. It's good. Very simple. But it even like looks like crab. Like that shredded texture. It's the same texture as a crab cake. Seriously, that was my best vegan crab cake yet. I tried the jackfruit crab cakes from Trader Joe's and they were okay. Mine's is better. It didn't really have like a fishy or crab-like taste like these do, but it was still good. But I would much rather make my own. Well, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on social media at namnam2fitness on Twitter and on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.